Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. Today we're doing a little special for Jett001. Hi, Jett. Hi, Jett. This is, also hi, Ontario proper. Okay, we're going to cover baking mixes. Now, baking mixes usually last about a year. I do Mylar it or I put it in a food saver bag. I like these when I go camping. All you just do is add water and I make Bangkok. This is a fairly good mix. I like Jiffy brand. I also like Martha White. It's a really good brand. I always eat this one. Um, it takes about a half a cup of water and one egg. I could substitute the egg with dry egg mix. See, Uncle Alan knows how to cook. So I don't need fresh eggs when I'm out in the field or if they're in my 7-day food supply. They're eating MREs and canned food. Uncle Alan has hot biscuits and cornbread. What do you guys are eating? I'm eating a dead squirrel and some nuts and some wild plants. I'm a bushcrafter. Yeah, right. Old Uncle Al, aka Diebulfrog79, right down there. Sign up, say hello. Please leave a comment. If you want to really help me out, leave some cash down below at my donation site on PayPal. Now, let's get my notes out. Uncle Alan's old and half blind. Okay, baking mixes. Get a few boxes of just add water variety of baking mixes. You can make biscuits, pancakes, dumplings, waffles, and more. These mixes only good for at least 1 year, stored on the shelf in the bag. That's Mylar. When you buy it, always check the date right here. They all have the date. My favorite for pancakes is Crestation. That comes out of Kansas, so. And they have a date sticker on the bottom, so make sure you mark down it on the bag, the day, because these things have milk alloy. Milk alloy. Too hard to pronounce. But anyway, they only last about a year. Good for short term, good for the 7-day or 3-day survival kit. Okay? And besides, I don't want to eat another dead squirrel, nuts and fruits, and some weird things, leaves and twigs. I'm going to eat cornbread and biscuits and pancakes. What are you eating? I ate a turtle and some kind of weird plant, and I'm seeing spots right now. Well, Lily in the wild, you should have ate hot buttery biscuits with honey and put down that turtle. Okay? Um, Good for about a year. Once the package is open, you got about 30 days time to use it up. Unless you somehow use the whole box at once. We've got a lot of people. That's a lot of pancakes and biscuits. I like these smaller jiffy size. They make about 6 or 7. Let's see. You could use again Ziploc bags to store it. Okay, once you open it up from the Mylar or from the box, put it in the Ziploc and throw in a desiccant, not oxygen absorber, desiccant. Okay, and keep it out of the sun, keep it in a cool place, and keep it dark. That'll last you 30 days plus, and then use it up as is. Okay, easy as pie short. This is for Jett001. Buy baking mixes. Simple as pie, add water, maybe an egg, bake. Can't go wrong with that. Unless you want to eat dead squirrel or MREs. I'll probably lean towards dead squirrel or rabbit, but I ate a lot of MREs in the military. Okay, let's do our shout outs. Corsair Trainers, please check him out. Prep for it. Walter Davis, LS Daisy, Diane SFNG, Jeff Nolte, Kentucky Survival, Pure Deer Survival, Savage Survival, please check out his short video. Jack Pine Savage, Native Tears, Reverend Christine, 3D Tripper, West Wind Survival, Inside Freedom with Scott, check out, did a real good video. Hubble's Cat, check out his video. And let's see, Cindy John, Harshman Hills. Okay, I gotta keep these short. I'm doing a lot shorter videos, kids. So I'll catch you later. Bye, kids. This is Nina. Okay, get a little sip of coffee. Remember, my channel is Diebulfrog79, and this is about 438 videos, and I've got about maybe 640 supporters. I'm doing this over a year and 2 months. So think about it. I'm not fitting into the AI program. They're looking for 15 to about 28-year-old females in their underwear with a nice looking face. Uncle Alan looks like crap. Sorry, kids, but I look like poo. You know that smiling poo? Yeah, that's Uncle Al. So I wear the funny hats. I do the little voices for the animals. But I can't compete with competition. The person, they said, you get in YouTube, get 10,000 supporters. Yeah, same time, same period, but she's a stripper. And she's in her underwear, showing more skin than Uncle Alan. If I show up myself in a string bikini, I think everybody would barf. So anyway, kids, I'll catch you later. Till next time, please check out Jett 001's channel. Real good shooting channel. I like it. And here's a tip for you, Jett. Call and yell at every state representative on House bills. This is what happens when you have too many notebooks. House Bill 8 and House Bill or House of Representative Bill 1112. Stop the Democrats now. You don't want to be like Nazi Germany. Text them, call them, email, protest at their office, write letters. Don't let America become Venezuela, Australia, or California. Bye, kids.